Welcome back to the channel. We have the GTR and I'm going to show you guys the problem that we have right now is that I have an air leak. Let me show you real quick. Alright, so I already checked the compressors, the lines, everything here on the back. So everything looks to be fine over here on the back. The way to check this is for you to get water and soap. So in other words, soapy water. That's gonna help you, like, obviously you spray it on the line and it's gonna show you if the air line has a leak, so you're gonna start seeing bubbles out of the lines. I went ahead already and did all of the lines here and I don't have a leak. So I have the leak on the passenger side, if you guys can tell. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but right now the air is completely compared to the driver's side and the rest of the wheels. I'm going to flip the car around, lift up the car and remove the wheel from the passenger side and make sure that that line to the airbag has enough Teflon tape, so that way we don't have any more air leak. Aside from that, I want to give quick shout out to Carbon Society for sending me this Liberty Walk style front lip for the GTR, and it's in carbon fiber. It's right here. I already took it out from the box. Let me see if I can cut through the plastic and show you. Alright, so there we have it. Carbon fiber Liberty Walk style front lip for the GTR. I'm going to be doing this install probably next week. I don't have time right now. But yeah, thank you Carbon Society for sending this Liberty Walk style on the GTR. I think it's gonna look amazing, and stay updated for that install is coming soon. So yeah, let's get ready, flip the car around, and yeah, remove the wheel, check for any air leak.
One eternity later.
This is just something quick. I would like to say thank you guys for all the continued support. For those that are new to the channel, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button for me. I would like to reach 50k subscribers. That is my goal. But like always, I need your help, and hopefully you guys can help me out with that. Click that subscribe button for me. That being said, let's get to the GTR. Let's see if the line from the passenger side is leaking air, so we can fix that, and then hopefully on the next coming videos I will install the front Liberty Walk carbon fiber lip for the GTR. So that being said, let's get to it. Alright, so we have the car on the jack. Right now I'm going to make sure everything right here is ready to go. I just want to tell you guys, be safe. Don't go under the car if you don't have a jack stand. Stay safe, you never know. Alright, if you can tell, I went ahead and sprayed soapy water on this line, this one right here, and everything looks perfect. We don't have a leak. Now we have another connection on this side, so I'm going to be removing all of the plastic and check if that is my issue right there. So everything looks perfect, and my only problem will be this line connecting to this. So hopefully it's that one. Let's check it out. Alright, just how I expected. This line has enough Teflon tape, but this line over here, if you don't cut the line straight, then you might have an air leak, and that's what we have right now. So by looking at it, I'm going to take it off and put it back in. I'm going to cut it with this tool. Let me show you guys. Alright, this is a cutting tool, and with this you can cut the line straight. Probably it was my mistake. I didn't do it like straight enough, so probably that's why we have that issue with this line. But something easy. Let me cut it, let me fix it, and then ready to go. Alright, before you start removing airlines and all of that stuff, you need to make sure to take out all of the air from the tank. That way you don't have any air on the lines and on the tank. Now you come over here, make sure that the airbag doesn't have any air. You come here, unplug it, and now you can use this tool so we can cut this line straight, plug it back in, put air on this system, and make sure that it doesn't leak anymore. We're gonna go ahead and do that, and hopefully we can fix this issue. Alright, so I went ahead and cut a small piece. If you guys can tell, it's right here. And yes, I think I didn't cut the line straight enough. That's why it was leaking. I just cut a small piece right now, and hopefully that fixes our issue. The car is off. We are getting air on the line, and I'll test it out right now. This setup is temporary. I'm not gonna leave it like that. I'm going to fix it all nice and, you know, make it look nice, but that's it for right now. Alright, and it looks like we fixed it. We don't have any more air coming out from that line. Let me show you guys real quick. Let me give you guys a close-up. If you can tell, we don't have any more bubbles, none of that, and pretty much good to go on that line. Finally, when I did the install on these airbags, I just let it go for, you know, months and months, and, you know, till right now that I'm over it, you know, it was time to fix it. Alright, just make sure you put all of your clips. I went ahead and already did the sides. I'm going to do this one. I already did it, and just those clips. I got 3 more. Let me see, I think I dropped one. Yeah, so I got 3 more. Make sure you put them all in the right places, and yeah, we're good to go with this airbag. Finally fixed an air leak that I had for months. Alright, pretty much done over here. I'm just going to put everything away, all of my tools. I don't know, it's up to you guys, but this is an easy fix. Probably a shop is going to charge you like 180, 280. It just depends on the time they take to figure out where the leak is. For me, honestly, it took like 10 minutes. You know, make sure where the leak was. I checked the back lines. I checked all of the lines, driver, passenger, and on the back. I did check the lines from the back of the tank. Nothing was leaking from there. My only option was the front passenger line going to the tank. So that fixed my issue. Again, I saved myself 150 bucks. Nah, but yeah, honestly, you guys can save some money. That's just up to you. If you guys decide to spend some money, take it to a shop, then that's up to you guys. But let me put away everything, and I think I got another quick job. I need to do an oil change on a 4Runner. There it is, it's all fixed. Probably next video coming up, we're going to be installing the Liberty Walk style for the GTR, and that's thanks to Carbon Society. So I'll put the name right here, Instagram. You guys can go check it out. They get all kinds of carbon fiber. They also sent me the carbon fiber steering wheel. You guys can tell right there. Carbon fiber for the GTR. And hell yeah, Germany just scored 1-1. Finally, probably, hopefully they can do 2-1 so I can win the bet for 100 bucks. So I can double that to 800 bucks. But come on, Germany. Alright, so I'm gonna put the GTR outside, bring the 4Runner. I'm going to do an oil change. We're going to be using Mobile 1. Pretty much done with the oil change on the 4Runner. It takes 6.6 5W30 Mobile 1, and pretty much straightforward. Couple panels that you need to remove right there. It's 14 millimeter on the back, and just the oil filter, and that's it. You're done with your oil change, and 4Runner ready to go. And yeah, once we're done, I'm just gonna put back the GTR and call it a day. Just like that, I'm done with the GTR. I was able to fix that air leak. Finally, car, it's ready to go. And yeah, pretty much I'll show you guys on the next video the process on doing the Liberty Walk carbon fiber style lip. I think I showed you guys at the beginning of the video. It looks amazing. That looks good. Next Saturday I'll be able to show you guys the install on this Liberty Walk style front lip. It looks amazing, to be honest. Actually, you know what, I wanted to show you guys, but I don't want the lip to get scratched or anything like that since I have it right there. But stay updated. I will show you guys on the next video. We are going to be removing this part of the front bumper, and we are going to be installing that one. So hopefully the car looks good, and yeah, just stay updated. But other than that, I'll see you guys till the next one. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.